What's going on, guys? Hope all's well. I'm going to a customer who says somebody was out there from another company today doing a maintenance and somehow sold them a new system. Not only that, now the system doesn't run. So it was working before they got there. Let's go see what it is. Haven't been filming because I've been out on a little short-term medical reason. But let's check it out. I'm about 10 minutes away. Mount Kisco, New York.
But then around, they were here around 10:30, 11, they left. Around 4 o'clock, I realized the heat isn't on.
Maybe you have a switch?
And then it flipped on,
Okay.
but then it went off again.
Let me check it out for you, if you don't mind.
Absolutely, no, don't mind. I want you here.
Thanks.
There's something clicking on.
Yeah, no, there's power. I can see that.
But nothing blowing out.
Yeah.
Or it just
Left your
goes for a
humidifier
little
way
while
up too.
and then
That's
it
nice. Well, 7. Okay. We know that we have the fan click. I'm just clicking it right here. Oh, low batteries. That's an issue.
What do you need, double A's?
I'll tell you in a second. Yeah, the batteries are going on and off. So I have fan on and something's clicking. Let me purge override this zone. Okay, nothing. All right, for now let's leave it though. It's sending the message.
What's that?
For now, let's leave the batteries the way they are,
Okay.
if you don't mind. But yeah, if you want to look for them, you can.
No, I'll wait. Do you need some lanterns?
No, I have a light. I have a headlamp.
Oh, you got it?
Yep. Thank you, though. Got some new systems. That's not the company either. Hello, dear. Do you have those AA batteries or no? It's okay. Do you happen to have AA batteries?
Oh, let me go look.
All right, no problem. If you want to grab them for both thermostats, we'll put them in. Thank you. Integrity, man. I'm tired of it. People have lack of integrity. You know. It's a 2022. And then you have what for this? You get, I mean, okay, 19 years old or not. 2006, I mean, sounds young to me. And shit. Whatever. It is what it is. I'm not gonna start criticizing other people's antics. 45. All right, so we changed the batteries on both thermostats, and we'll go for a call for heat. Draft inducer actually sounds good to me, but I'm not checking the amps. Very nice lady, a good person. Very nice person. chop them, we glock them. Nice blue flame. These you always have to be careful with the little cones on the dividers underneath. So I always lift up when I pull them out or away. And then I pull up to push it in so you don't crush them. That's nice. Oh yeah. That's beautiful. Carbon monoxide, huh? 43 parts per million. Looks good to me. Flu. Nothing like a loose solenoid wire. Yep. Maintenance. Beautiful. All the small things commiserating. Alright, we got the thermometer and check temp rise. Sleazy peasy. No, that's all processed. Yo, thank you guys for watching. I can't call it. She sounds like a nice lady. I don't know why the other company did not come back. And that was not the company's name, just so you know, on that door. I think they went out of business or they were bought out by another company. She says it was kind of like a ham and egger. You know, not a one-man show, but she's been working with them, I guess. And all of a sudden, last year they had a problem with the system, and then all of a sudden today, a technician was there and doing the maintenance and told her that she had water in her secondary heat exchanger. The draft inducer was going. I mean, I saw a little water that at one time. Doesn't mean somebody didn't like replace the collector box front case or the collector box. Whatever, bro. The CO test is perfect. Something different, bro. There's a lot of thievery and sleaziness going around with the HVAC industry because I believe that it's being pushed. I think these companies are being bought out by large investors or funds and whatever, and they just see the bottom line, and these managers are pushed to tell their techs to sell. But the day it happens to me is the day I say c'est la vie. But anyway, c'est la vie. Have a good night, and thank you for watching. Take it easy.